लाइक सबसे पहले तो हम ये पूछेंगे 2 अक्टूबर को क्या हुआ था. यू आर ऑलरेडी अ मदर, आप सेकंड बेबी भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो. सो व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस यू फाउंड आउट दिस टाइम?
आई थिंक चैलेंजेस तो सेम है बट
What was your first reaction when you took your baby first time in your arms?
I have that exact moment captured on my phone.
Postpartum depression हुआ?
Oh my god.
ब्रेस्ट फीड किया आपने अपने बेबी को?
That is another struggle that I have gone through.
इशिता, जब हम लोग डिलीवरी के बाद घर आते हैं उसके बाद जो हमारे ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाई जाती हैं, लाइक कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं पियो या ठंडा मत खाओ, दही मत खाओ क्योंकि ब्रेस्ट फीड कर रहे हो तो बेबी को ठंडी लग जाएगी. डू यू बिलीव इन ऑल दिस?
ऐसे ही I don't want to believe in something.
एज एन एक्ट्रेस व्हेन यू बिकम अ मॉम, सो ये सच है कि आपको काम मिलना बंद हो जाता है?
I think I was.
Hello and welcome to Palan Poshan podcast. Today we have the pleasure of hosting the incredibly talented and beautiful Ishita Datta. For those who might not know, Ishita is not only a celebrated actress known for her roles in films and television, but also a loving wife and a wonderful mother. And guess what? She is expecting her second child. So in today's episode, we are going to delve into Ishita's incredible journey through motherhood. We'll chat about her experiences, challenges, and everything about parenting. Thank you so much, Ishita, for accepting our invite and coming to the show.
No, thank you so much for having me here. I'm really excited to be here and talk to you about all about motherhood.
Like सबसे पहले तो हम ये पूछेंगे 2 अक्टूबर को क्या हुआ था?
I think it's been what? I think 7-8 years.
Yeah.
And I'm loving the fact that आज भी मुझे लोग पूछते हैं कि 2 अक्टूबर को क्या होने वाला है. So क्या बताऊँ, पाव भाजी खाई थी, मूवी देखी थी, फिर घर चले गए.
So apart from this, my heartiest congratulations. You are expecting again. Planned or unplanned?
No, definitely planned.
Okay.
In fact, it's a बहुत ही funny story है इसके पीछे. So I'm doing a project right now. I can't talk about it. But in that project, I was supposed to gain a certain amount of weight.
Okay.
And project थोड़ा लंबा चल गया, and I was not allowed to lose. So ऐसे I was just sitting with my co-actors and I was telling them that I wanted to have another child, you know. तो क्या करना है ये? So they said this is the perfect time. Why don't you think of having a child, because anyways you can't lose weight and एक बार में हो जाएगा, and 2 साल का gap is perfect for kids.
जी.
And that is actually how me and Vatsal we thought कि okay fine, this is probably the right time to plan, and it happened.
Very
So
nice.
ये मूवी के चक्कर में हुआ.
So अच्छा है ना, मतलब मूवी के साथ साथ आपके काम के साथ साथ आपकी फैमिली प्लानिंग भी
Yes.
सक्सेसफुल होगी.
Yes.
इशिता, सिंस यू आर ऑलरेडी अ मदर एंड आप सेकंड बेबी भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, सो व्हाट इज द मेजर डिफरेंस यू फाउंड आउट दिस टाइम कि आपकी फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी में क्या चैलेंजेस थे और इस टाइम पे आपके क्या चैलेंजेस है? सेम है या डिफरेंट है?
I think challenges तो सेम है, but you are prepared. इस बार मुझे पता है कि क्या होने वाला है. Like my gynac, she calls me and she's like, अभी तो तुम कॉल ही नहीं करती हो. Like first pregnancy में कुछ भी होता था, headache हुआ या फिर acidity हुई, I used to just pick up the phone. अरे ये हो रहा है, क्या करूँ? But this time I'm very relaxed because I think I know कि अच्छा इसके बाद अभी 6 months चला है तो यहाँ पे ये होने वाला है. So I think I'm mentally more prepared. Yes, of course challenges अलग होने वाले because I have a toddler. So I'm very concerned कि how to manage that because he's only going to be 2 years when the baby comes. तो वो एक नया challenge होगा. But I don't know, I just feel a little more relaxed. Though symptoms almost same ही रहे हैं मेरे.
दोनों प्रेगनेंसी में?
Yes, दोनों pregnancy में. The first 3 months were nausea, lot of headaches, vomiting, ये सब था. Second trimester is always good, which I'm on right now, so it's like a vacation period for me. And then now I can feel the weight. So third trimester I know is going to be tough in terms of travel and uncomfort जो body का होता है.
जी.
But yeah, I'm enjoying it more this time.
2 साल पहले आप मदर बने थे and you must have understood and realized the importance of being mother now. What was your first reaction when you took your baby first time in your arms and when you delivered it? What was that emotion?
I have that exact moment captured on my phone. It was really very emotional. I had tears in my eyes. Vatsal had tears in his eyes, and baby मेरे chest पे था. I had a normal delivery, and the cutest thing is that picture when I saw later, the baby is doing this. He was making a heart from the very beginning, and even now I go back to that picture मैं देखती हूँ and I relive that moment. And I think the special thing is कि जब आप इतने pain में होते हो, in that moment when you see the baby, you forget everything. It's like the pain, the discomfort, whatever you went through, everything just vanishes, and you're just looking at that child and you're like, oh my god. And then 5 minutes later you're like, oh my god, ये मेरे भरोसे आया इस दुनिया में. So that is another thing that hits you suddenly कि now you are responsible for a soul, to bring up that child in the best possible way.
Postpartum depression हुआ आपको?
Oh my god, immense. And that's why I talk a lot about it, because आई थिंक वो एक टर्म ही है जो लोगों को मालूम है, दे डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस इन पोस्टपार्टम, यू नो द फीलिंग्स जो आप जाते हो. वन थिंग दैट अ लॉट ऑफ मदर्स आर मे बी वो बोलने का मन नहीं करता होगा, विच आई वॉन्ट टू ओपनली टॉक अबाउट इज that sometimes you actually see the child and you feel that do I not love that child enough because you're going through so much emotion. वो एक disconnect आप feel करते हो, और ये होता है parents के साथ, mothers के साथ. And I don't know anybody who has spoken about it to me, क्योंकि I spoke to so many mothers, maybe they didn't go through it, but मुझे पता ही नहीं था. So I'm telling you, the first month I would feel less of a mother, you know. I would feel कि is there something wrong with me, मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है, मैं connect क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, you know. Like I would have a house full of people, इतने guest आए हुए थे, relatives है, सब हंसी मजाक कर रहे हैं, and I'm laughing with them, and I would go back to the room and just howl and cry for 1 hour, and I had no idea why. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था कि क्या हो गया है, you know. I have all the support, I have all the love, and at that point I think Vatsal was really really helpful. So हमारे में 40 days तक you don't step out. There's a lot of restrictions. But you know, he saw my situation. He's like, you know, you're not dealing with it properly. ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा overwhelm कर रहा है. It's okay, you know, fine. हम लोग एक कॉफ़ी के लिए चले जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. So he started taking me out for walks, just like some fresh air के लिए. He would, my mom, dad, my in-laws would take care of the baby. And they would be like, don't worry, हम संभाल लेंगे, तुम जाओ. So when I started going out, I started talking to people, and then spoke to a counselor. And then धीरे धीरे I realized that okay, it's a hormonal thing, you know. It has nothing to do with what I feel for the baby. It is just something that a woman goes through. इतने hormones ऊपर नीचे होते हैं. And then I think 40 days, 50 days में I started feeling better. Started feeling like myself again. So yes, it was a very very difficult time for me. But yeah, this time I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm going to be prepared.
You beautifully mentioned that postpartum depression women specifically out loud होके discuss नहीं करती हैं, उन्हें करना चाहिए. However, I feel इसमें एक partner का बहुत role होता है बड़ा. I think these small gestures makes
a lot of difference. I think, see, मेरे case में, you know, I also say I'm very lucky that मेरे parents मेरे साथ थे. Vatsal also at that time was taking a break. He also took a paternal break, जो बहुत टाइम पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, यू नो. विद वर्क लाइफ आई अंडरस्टैंड कि ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है, एंड देन उनका इतना खुद का हेक्टिक स्ट्रेस लाइफ चल रहा है, रात को वो भी जग रहे बच्चे के साथ. सो कभी कभी शायद आदमी समझ नहीं पाते, इसलिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू डिस्कस ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक दिस, ताकि ऐसा कुछ हो रहा होगा और किसी ने देखा होगा तो उसको समझ में आएगा, अच्छा ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, एंड इसके लिए हम ये कर सकते हैं. एंड इवन इफ इट इज़ लाइक दैट 15 minutes or 20 minutes of break in the day, because you know a woman's life changes completely after a baby. बहुत different होता है. And one of the lines that I hate जो बहुत सुनने को मिलता है कि हमने भी बच्चे पैदा किए, हमारे टाइम में भी किया. वेरी गुड, बट किया होगा बट ये टाइम बहुत डिफरेंट है. हम लोग के लाइफ में इतना स्ट्रेस है, द एयर क्वालिटी दैट वी ब्रीथ इज सो डिफरेंट. सो उसमें भी एक यू नो डिफरेंस फील होता है. आप 10 साल पहले आप देखो आपकी हेल्थ और अभी देखो, यू नो. सो फूड, लाइफ स्टाइल, अ लॉट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स ऑल्सो इम्पैक्ट हाउ यू रिएक्ट and how your body reacts. So लोगों को वो समझना चाहिए. And maybe उस ज़माने में I think women were not allowed or they didn't even know कि हम express कर सकते हैं, right? So that doesn't mean that they didn't go through it. They went through it, but they didn't know what they were going through.
I'm sure उनको तो और ज़्यादा उन्होंने
because they didn't have help and
exactly.
Yeah, and right now with your career, and also one more thing, most women, you know, at least in metros who are working women, उनके लिए you are actually taking a step back from your career. So that is also something which is very important, which affects you mentally. Ki, you know, you love your child, you want to do that for your child, but you're also taking a step back from your career, जिसके लिए आपने इतनी मेहनत की है, you know. And it's wrong to say that, you know, why should you sacrifice as a mother? Like that's why I also promote working. Being a working mom, you know, मुझे बहुत criticism मिलता है on social media that you're leaving your child and going, he's so small. But you know, I want my child to know that yes, my mom works and he should be proud of it, so that when he grows up, he has a partner and he should understand. So I think these things, as women of today, I think we need to talk, discuss and make it more normal and, you know, something that we can talk about.
Of course, and I think इशिता आज के टाइम पे ये बहुत क्लियर हो चुका है that baby करना is not a restriction for a woman.
Yes,
I mean, you can go out, you can continue your working. Of course, एक helpful family and supportive family की बहुत requirement
होती है.
इशिता फैमिली और हम हस्बैंड सपोर्ट की बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर रहे हैं. लाइक व्हेन यू वर प्रेग्नेंट, क्या कॉन्टेम्पलेशन चलते थे? लाइक डिड यू डिस्कस विद वत्सल, डिड यू डिस्कस विद योर फैमिली दैट्स हाउ आई वांट टू रेज माय चाइल्ड, और आई वांट टू टेक अ यू नो maternity break, or I will resume my work, I will not resume my work. So what contemplation you had in your
I
mind?
think मेरे और वसल की relationship में ना starting से ever since we got married, I think we've been very clear and verbal with each other. हम बैठ के बात करते हैं कि हम क्या expect कर रहे हैं आपसे, और you know what you should expect from us, और कुछ भी confusion है तो हम clear करते हैं. Similarly, I think ये another thing है जो parents discuss नहीं करते हैं. How do you want to raise your child? You know, ये बहुत important है. Like, so Vatsal is someone who has a lot of food aversions. Like, he doesn't like eating a lot of vegetables, and I am someone, I like eating everything. So I was like, okay, you know, this is something that we have to make sure that the child will see you also and learn, right? So we have to make sure that हम पहले से उसको वैसा सिखाएं कि नहीं सब कुछ खाना है, सब कुछ healthy है, you need to eat good food. So these are small things that we discussed, like education point of view, what kind of education we want to give him. We want to focus on only education or extracurricular. I know बहुत time है अभी, he's only 1.5 years, but we have discussed all of it. Also, the decision makers are us. You know, we have our parents. They have brought us up very differently. We respect their opinion. वो जो बोलते हैं हम सुनते हैं, उसमें से कुछ हम incorporate करते हैं, but कुछ चीज़ अगर हम accept नहीं करते, like I don't want to give sugar to my child. पहले के ज़माने में it was very normal, but अभी मिलावट भी ज़्यादा है. So we are very clear from the start कि ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हम नहीं करना चाहते अपने बच्चे के साथ, and they also respect us कि okay, because ultimately when I am going to work, they are the ones who are taking care of my child. So हर point पे हमने discuss किया है. In terms of work also, I told him that you know I would want to go back to work. But of course जब काम करने का time आया, I think as a mother I was not able to leave Vayu. मैं छोड़ नहीं पा रही थी. And when this project also came, honestly, I think I would have said no. But Vatsal was like, you remember you told me that you want to work. So if you're getting something, I think you should do it if it's good. And don't worry, I will take a step back if I have to. अगर क्योंकि we are both in a इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे हम एक स्टेप बैक ले सकते हैं, यू नो वी कैन टेक सम टाइम आउट. सो जब मैं भी ऑलमोस्ट 2 months के लिए शूट कर रही थी, तो ही वॉज एट होम, यू नो ही मेड श्योर दैट ही गेव अप अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क to be there for Vayu. So इस तरह से I think it's a partnership.
It's a partnership. So moving on, as an actress, when you become a mom, your body changes, your your way of living change. So ये सच है कि आपको काम मिलना बंद हो जाता है या एक ब्रेक आ जाता है तो आपकी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं रहती उस इंडस्ट्री में?
I think 5 years back I would say yes, but right now things have really changed. Okay. I remember when I was getting married, 8 साल होने वाले हैं, मुझे मेरे ही फ्रेंड्स ने जो इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं, women actresses, said, are you sure you want to do something like this? You know, ये करियर को रोक देगा. And at that time, I believed कि life goes on, career goes on. कोई भी किसी चीज़ के लिए रुकना नहीं चाहिए. And I got married. But now if you see, I don't think so this discussion exists कि शादी करने के बाद career खत्म हो जाता है. All our leading ladies are married, they are having kids, they are doing work. So I think this एक चेंज आया है ट्रेंड में. नाउ इट इज़ नो लॉन्गर स्टिग्मा कि माँ बन गए तो काम नहीं मिलेगा. ऑफकोर्स इफ़ यू वांट अ सर्टन टाइप ऑफ रोल, यू हैव टू लुक अ सर्टन वे, विच इज़ ऑब्वियसली देयर. तो आपको लूज़ करना है तो आप कीजिए. अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो आई थिंक देर इज़ वर्क फॉर एवरीबडी. देर इज़ वर्क फॉर एवरी टाइप ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, एवरी बॉडी टाइप. एंड लाइक आई डिडंट फेस दैट. इन फैक्ट whatever, last time also I was shooting when I was pregnant with Vayu, and I shot till almost 6 months. Now also I shot. The production houses, मुझे in fact जब पहली बार मैं न्यूज़ ब्रेक कर रही थी, I was very skeptical कि maybe, and I told them that you know if you think shooting में problem होगा आपको, if you think you can't adjust, I am okay. If you take me out of the project, I will completely understand. And they were like, no.
Why? Yeah.
It was not even a thought in their head. They said, no. Are you going to be comfortable? हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे आपका पहले ख़त्म करने का, so that you know 7 months you want to take a break. And I think मेरे में ज़्यादा inhibition था. They didn't have any problem. They shot with me. I've done the film. It's going to release this year. Similarly, this time when I told them, again I went with that hesitation that you know halfway through I'm pregnant. So of course you know थोड़े restrictions होंगे. I'll need to rest a little. And they have gone out of their way to make me comfortable.
Wow.
Like giving me breaks and certain scenes में changing the scenes according to my physical comfort.
Yeah.
So and I was so proud that this is what our industry is today, that they are accommodating women who are married, who are having kids. Yes, one thing I want to add ki, like if I want to do something like a television show, certain things I need to take a step back because commitment बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So those are small things which I think we just need to you know give it a little time. But if we are ready, I don't think so वो हमें मना करेंगे. We need to be ready.
Of course. See, Ishita, I totally understand your industry. आपकी industry is not it's not a 9 to 5 job.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a very hard working
It's very
industry.
difficult, yeah,
And it's a very
time-wise.
difficult thing. Like since I'm into this like marketing things, well, I've worked with so many people, and I see that आपका काम is not easy. Like from every angle, from every camera, you have to take a shots and you have to give the same smile again and again. So even you are pregnant and you are doing this sort of a hard work, it's something commendable, like
it's very physically challenging field. Yes,
but now since you're telling me that your production houses, your directors, your producers are helping you out and they are actually acknowledging if you are a mother, so what, like you can still work. So I think आपका film industry भी बहुत ज़्यादा progressive हो रहा है.
I think the younger generation is coming in and it's just the thought process is changing, like audience is changing, हमारे scripts change हो रहा है. I think सब evolve हो रहा है, and I'm very happy that we are in this time today where I feel very proud to be a part of the industry which is so accommodative.
Very nice. आप इतना काम करते हो, आप 6 months प्रेग्नेंट हो, तब भी आप शूटिंग पे जा रहे हो, 2 महीने आउट रह रहे हो. इशिता, मॉम गिल्ट आता है?
Oh God, I think that is something जो रहने ही वाला है, no matter what. Even if my child starts talking and saying, "Mom, it's okay, you go," I think वो एक माँ का दिल तो होता ही है. Like every time I would do a video call, मैं उसको देखती थी तो आंखों में आंसू आते ही थे कि he's so small and I'm not with him. And I think initial years में इतने सारे changes होते हैं एक बच्चों में. Every word that they say, पहली बार जब बोलते हैं, you want to be there. You want to see that change when they start running, when they throw a tantrum और जो भी कर रहे हैं. So I know that I have missed a lot of that and I have seen it on video. वत्सल ने record करके मुझे भेजा है. But I think then my mom keeps telling me that one day he's going to be proud of you and he's going to understand. And I think kids adapt very well. Like the first week that I was shooting, वो बहुत रोता था. He used to look for me everywhere क्योंकि now he's attached to me. 6 महीने 7 महीने तक I think kids don't really know what's happening. Right now they don't understand, but they know मम्मी है, पापा है. They understand the difference. So today also that I've come here, I know that 1 घंटा ढूंढा होगा मुझे. But then now he's okay. He understands. Okay, mama is gone. And I told him Mama is going to Delhi, so he'll be like, okay, Delhi, and then I'll come back. So he'll be like, okay, Mama is back. So I think ये बच्चों को भी सिखाना पड़ता है कि जिस तरह से पापा जाते हैं काम पे उस तरह से मम्मा भी जाती है.
And that's very nice. I mean, जैसा कि आप कह रहे हो कि जब वो बड़ा होगा and when he will see कितना मेहनत करती थी मेरी मम्मी मेरे लिए, so I mean he is definitely going to be proud. But does he know that he is going to be blessed with a sister or a brother?
No. So when I ask him, you want a brother or a sister? कभी वो brother बोलता है sister, but I don't think he understands the meaning.
हाँ, I don't know. So, he is very young.
He's too young. I show him कि okay, there's a baby in mama's tummy, and मैं उससे बात करते रहती हूँ. I always tell him whatever I'm doing. If I'm traveling also, I keep telling him so that he's mentally prepared. But yeah, he's too small. But I feel once the baby comes, I think it's going to be a very big change for him. क्योंकि अभी he's the center of attention and
it's all him.
अभी share होने वाला है किसी और के साथ. Then when we go down to play also, वो दूसरे बच्चों के साथ किस तरह से interact करता है. So he gets very curious looking at a smaller baby. उसको वो पता नहीं, I think he thinks it's a toy or it's a baby. He still doesn't understand. But I'm really excited to see his reaction. And I know that I have to be very careful at that time.
Fair also.
I have to make sure that he उसका attention कम ना हो.
हाँ, you have to be fair, like for the newborn baby also and for toddler also. Ishita, you are a celebrity. Your husband is also a celebrity. आपके बच्चे भी हैं. अब आप कैसे बच्चों को रेस करना है वो डिस्कस ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो. बट जब सेलिब्रिटीज़ के बेबीज़ होते हैं तो वो सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन हो जाते हैं. लाइक यू कैन सी सो मेनी लाइक करीनाज बेबी एंड अदर सेलिब्रिटीज़ बेबी. तो आप लोगों ने कभी ये सोचा है कि यू ऑलवेज हैव टू कीप योर बेबी सेंटर ऑफ द अटेंशन, लाइक पापराजी आनी चाहिए, मीडिया आनी चाहिए?
Not at all. In fact, I think every parent wants to protect your child from something like that. It's too much exposure too early. So like education wise also I want to give him a very like जिस तरह से मेरा पालन पोषण हुआ है, जिस तरह से I have been brought up, I really want the same thing for Vayu. Simple life. I want him to go to a school where there are different kind of kids, so that he can interact with everybody. In terms of see, of course, that is our social circle. So he is going to go and meet people. Media में भी आने ही वाला है, and there's a lot of criticism that kids generally face, which I feel very bad because they're kids at the end of the day. जो भी comment आते हैं. So I know that we'll have to protect him from a lot of things. Sometimes I also see comments on my social media and I feel really bad, and then I feel it's just a child and people are writing such awful things, and then you have to tell yourself that it's okay. अब जो फ़ायदा होता है सोशल मीडिया का, उसका नेगेटिव साइड ये होता है दैट यू आर एक्सपोज टू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आई थिंक मी एंड वत्सल कीप डिस्कसिंग किस तरह से हम बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में उसको प्रोटेक्ट करें. एट द सेम टाइम आई कैन कीप हिम कम्प्लीटली आउट ऑफ इट बिकॉज दिस इज हिज रियलिटी. He is our child and he is going to be in Bombay. He is going to be facing the camera. So balance, let's see. We've not figured it out yet, but we'll try to balance it as much as we can.
इशिता, ये बैलेंस बहुत इसलिए भी ज़रूरी होता है बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू वांट योर चाइल्ड टू रेज लाइक अ नॉर्मल चिल्ड्रन. लाइक उनके दिमाग में ये नहीं आना चाहिए कि दे आर स्पेशल और दे आर एक्सक्लूसिव. वो एक अपब्रिंगिंग में फ़र्क पड़ता है उनकी. मूविंग ऑन इशिता, जब हम बच्चों के बड़े होने की बात करते हैं तो जो हमारे घर में ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं उनका एक अलग थॉट प्रोसेस होता है. क्योंकि एज यू मेंशन कि हमने भी पाले हैं बच्चे, तो उनका एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस, एक जर्नी वो हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं. बट आपको बहुत सारा मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि उनसे ज़्यादा हम लोगों को एजुकेशन है या हम लोग को नॉलेज है, बट आज के टाइम पे जो नॉलेज हम because in market nothing is natural, nothing is organic, everything is मिलावट है हर चीज़ में. तो have you ever faced any backlash from your parents like कि नहीं इशिता मैंने ऐसे बोला ऐसे करो और आपने वो चीज़ नहीं मानी है और आपने वो चीज़ करी है, तो did you feel any grievances between your parents and between you?
Honestly difference of opinion तो हुआ है. Like I didn't want to give salt till 1 year. बट आई थिंक हमारे टाइम पे दे दिया होगा शायद पहले. सो देन आई देते थे. तो आई सैट विद देम एंड मैंने उनको एक्सप्लेन किया कि इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम सेइंग दैट आपको पता नहीं या मुझे ज़्यादा पता है, बट आजकल रिसर्च है, डॉक्टर्स ने एक रिसर्च किया है और उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने बोला है, कोई रीज़न के वजह से बोला है. सो देन आई ट्राई टू टेक आउट आर्टिकल्स, आई ट्राई टू टॉक टू डॉक्टर, टेल देम कि सॉल्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है, शुगर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उनको लगता है कि द वन थिंग दैट आई हर्ड नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स और माई इन लॉज, इवन फ्रॉम रिलेटिव्स, कि अरे इतना फीका खाना कैसे खा रहा है. तो देन आई हैड टू एक्सप्लेन कि उसने कभी खाया ही नहीं है, तो आपके लिए जो फीका है उसके लिए नॉर्मल है. ही इज टेस्टिंग द फ्लेवर्स ऑफ द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, जो हम नहीं करते क्योंकि हम इतना मसाला डालते हैं उसमें दैट वी कांट टेस्ट. सो यू थिंक इट्स डिप्राइविंग हिम, बट ही इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. एंड द बेनिफिट्स आप देखो, जैसे शुगर का कोई देयर इज नो फायदा, मतलब देयर इज नो बेनिफिट. तो इफ आई कैन प्रोटेक्ट हिम till the time he goes to school and he will find cakes and birthday parties में वो सब तो होने ही वाला है. तो जितना ज़्यादा मैं उसको natural healthy food दे सकूँ, it's going to be good for his immunity. So then I try to explain, and then again I'm lucky that my parents and my in-laws also accept what I say, they agree to what I say, and then they are like, okay fine, this is what you feel, so we respect it, but maybe we would have done things differently, which is fine, which is okay. A lot of parents now may not agree to what I'm saying, which is okay. सबका parenting style अलग होता है.
मैं भी उनकी respect करती हूँ whatever they are saying.
Exactly, because of course हम लोग ठीक ठाक ही हुए हैं, so I'm sure what they did was also absolutely fine. But this is what we want to do for our kids.
इशिता, बच्चा रेस करना is not an easy job. I mean, it's a job itself. So how you are going to tell your children that what sort of values and what sort of morals and ethics you really want them to follow?
I think that's why I also believe that, yes, again I would like to say that nothing against people who don't have family support. I understand जहाँ पे parents नहीं रहते same city में, in-laws नहीं रहते वहाँ पे
nuclear families
में you need to take help of people that you hire, and it's a struggle because I have cousins who are doing that, and I see the struggle that वो खुद time spend नहीं कर पाते हैं. In my situation, because my parents stay with me, sometimes my in-laws come, तो I think a lot of values he's already getting from them, where मतलब सुबह सुबह मेरे फादर को आदत है कि वो श्लोक गाते हैं. So अभी से वो ओम भूर्भुवः थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब टूटा फूटा बोलता है. And I see a lot of my parents in him because he spends so much time with them. The way he talks, he's picking up all the languages. He can speak in Bengali, in Gujarati, in Hindi, in English. तो मतलब these things तो आ ही रहे हैं. What personally I want to give to my child in terms of values is that you need to be down to earth, you need to be a loving person. I think it's very important to be a nice person. मेरे लिए ये बहुत important है because that is what I have learned from my parents कि life में success, failure सब कुछ होता है, but you need to be very grounded. Roots बहुत strong होने चाहिए, and that is what I don't know how I'm going to teach him that. Like you said, I think ये naturally बच्चे सीख ही लेते हैं जब आप time spend करते हो, but me and Vatsal have decided that the initial years are very important because बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा सीखते हैं इस time पे. So even if yes my career is very important, but we try to balance it out. So हमने क्या decide किया है कि there are times when I'll be busy, so Vatsal is going to take over and he's going to spend more time at home, and vice versa.
By the time he is busy, yeah.
So I'm going to take a step back. Like now I know that this entire year I'm going to be home because
Yeah.
of the second baby, so I'm going to be there for him.
Yeah.
School हम अभी साथ में जाते हैं, स्कूल से आते, like we try to spend as much time as with him जितना भी possible है, like games भी हम खेलते हैं उसके साथ, उस टाइप के interactive games खेलते हैं.
जी.
उसको हम लोग like I want my son to know everything, like he should know how to cook, he should know how to clean, so he already goes to the kitchen and I encourage that, you know. वो ऐसा नहीं कि अरे तुम लड़के हो तुम किचन में नहीं आ सकते, नो, like my mom always says that please make him very independent.
Very nice.
He needs to know, he will know how to cook, he will know how to keep the house clean, and I'm going
this
to
is
make
the example you are setting, like
Yes.
you know, because when he will grow up and when he will like you know look at the past and look at the upbringing he has been taught, this is something which is going to help
Yeah.
him in future.
तो मेरी मॉम हमेशा ही जोक क्रैक करती है, बोलती है कि तुम्हारी बहू बहुत खुश होगी तुमसे कि तुमने सब कुछ सिखाया है. सर या शी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज आई थिंक ही विल बी अ बेटर कुक.
So Vatsal is a cook or not?
Vatsal is not.
Is not a cook?
But he can survive. Vatsal is someone, अगर उसको कुछ चाहिए, he will never tell the other person. He will go
Okay.
to the kitchen himself. भले गंदा खाना बनाए, but वो बना के he will eat.
He will eat.
He is very self-sufficient like that. Yeah.
That's very nice.
That's very
He's,
nice thing.
हाँ, he's not dependent
No,
on anyone.
he's not dependent on anyone.
ओके इशिता, कुछ ऐसे आपने फालतू के मिथ्स आपके रिलेटिव्स ने आपको बताया कि ऐसा मत करना, ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा मत करना, ऐसा हो जाएगा?
I think बेबी बम को लेके काफी कॉन्वर्सेशंस होते थे कि
Like,
लड़का है कि
हाँ,
लड़की.
old wife tales.
Old wife tales. So mostly लेकिन बॉय ही बोला था मुझे.
अच्छा.
And I thought it was going to be a girl, so I was wrong. It was a boy. So the shape. So this time also I'm trying to remember what the shape was, but I don't. Like I think it's the same. So I think that this was something जो सब मुझे आके बोलते थे कि
Yeah.
लड़का होगा तो ये लड़की, अगर स्किन ग्लो कर रही है तो लड़की है,
हाँ.
स्किन ग्लो नहीं हो रही है तो लड़का है.
ओके,
So
मैं क्या जज करूँ, स्किन ग्लो कर रही है लड़की है
तो लड़की है. वो लास्ट टाइम भी ग्लो कर रही थी, but it was a boy. So I don't know. So these things. Otherwise, I think खाने में they say कि you know you have cravings, but honestly I didn't have.
Still in this pregnancy also you do not have any cravings?
I'm a vegetarian and this child has made me a non-vegetarian.
Really? This really happens?
This really happened with me. So I used to be a non-vegetarian because
Okay.
of Bengali family.
Okay.
But around 7-8 years back, I changed and became a vegetarian.
Okay.
I wanted to become a vegan, but vegan नहीं बन पाई, but I became vegetarian.
Dairy
and-
उसके लिए छोड़ना पड़ता
Yeah.
है ना?
So I was very happy with my vegetarian diet, and as soon as I got pregnant, I started dreaming of
Non-veg.
non-veg. Like I started dreaming so much that vegetarian खाना मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगने लगा. Like I wouldn't eat as much. And my Bengali mom is very happy because she's like, finally she's eating fish.
Fish.
So
So fish is good for skin,
fish
for
is
baby.
good for the baby also. So I don't know whether I'm going to become a vegetarian.
Yeah.
तो पता चल जाएगा कि it was only the baby का effect.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a major. इससे बड़ा change क्या हो सकता है that I'm
हाँ,
eating
it's a major change.
non-veg now. Yeah.
Ishita, do you have any advice for these women, like you know, who are suffering from infertility? What sort of a solution they can find out, or how they can cope up with this sort of a thing? Because ये एक रेशियो इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो करता जा
Grow कर
रहा
रहा
है. एक टाइम पे हमारी दादी नानी के 8-8, 10-10 बच्चे होते थे, and like you know, it's very difficult for now to even have one kid.
Yeah.
So
yeah. I think mainly lifestyle. Like I starting से मैं बोल रही हूँ कि जिस तरह का खाना हम खाते हैं, which is available, it's not that हम choose कर रहे हैं, but unfortunately the vegetables, fruits जो हम खा रहे हैं आजकल,
injected.
yeah, everything is hormones, injection, like whether it's non-veg or veg, so they तो हमारे control में है नहीं. Then of course you know career के वजह से और वो various reasons people are getting married late, so then they're having kids also late. Again, it's a very personal choice, so I wouldn't want to say that no, you should do it early, but I understand the benefits. Like once, even I think delayed a lot. I had a baby after almost 5-6 years of marriage. So when I had the baby, I realized कि क्यों मम्मी बोलती थी कि
Time
पहले हाँ पहले करो, because
30 के पहले कर लो.
30 के पहले करो, because physically you're fitter.
Yeah.
You know, you're fitter to take care of your baby. Your parents are fitter to be there for you. And hormonal, like अभी running around a 1.5 year is probably more difficult than it would be 5 years back or 10 years back. And our body भी recover जल्दी करती है. Then you know when you are a certain age, your child is also of a certain age. So age difference बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं रहता है. So I completely get it now. So now I advise a lot of people in fact कि if you know your partner is, and now career doesn't stop. ये तो समझ में आ गया है.
ये समझ में आ गया.
हाँ कि career doesn't stop. So if you really want a child, I would say that if you know that ये करना है तो पहले कर लो, it's easier. Infertility की बात करें तो अभी these are things which are just happening, again not in our control, but maybe if people also save their eggs. I think a lot of my friends who are, like who are not married or who are not sure about, तो मैं उनको advice करती हूँ, they themselves have already frozen their eggs. I think that's also an option, and it is okay. I think we need to see these options, learn about it more. Infertility के लिए भी, if there are certain tests that you need to do or certain kind of lifestyle that you need to change, or medicine, I don't know, I'm not very well equipped with that knowledge, मुझे उतना knowledge नहीं है, but I think you should basically talk about it, do something about it, and if it doesn't happen, I think we have adoption, we have surrogacy, we have so many other things that are happening today. I to think that we should also promote adoption in a big way, because there's so many kids.
But it's not easy in India.
It's not easy in India. There are a lot of rules, and I understand that also, because with kids there are so many crimes, so you have to be very careful. But yeah, I think it comes down to your lifestyle and your time. So I think maybe it's a good point also that you raised, that maybe we should start testing earlier, because हम लोग सोचते ही नहीं है. By the time we do it, it's too late.
It's too late.
It's too late.
Because we are getting married late nowadays.
We are getting married late. Yeah.
Because
so we don't know only कि कुछ अगर है complication है, तो we are not aware of it.
We are not even aware of it. So that is the reason I wanted to address this particular topic, because I think you completely said right कि बहुत सारे इसके demerits हैं, but बहुत ज़्यादा merit भी हैं.
Yeah, and I think there's a shift that is happening. I don't know, I feel that the beach mein there was a generation that was taking a lot of time, but now I feel
everything is happening
earlier, like again there's, so I think the generation shift keeps happening every 10 15 20 years.
No, I think in your industry I have seen a lot of 90s ka actresses who are not even married yet. So but now I think
now the younger generation is getting married.
They want to have kids also.
Yes, because the thing has changed, stigma has changed. It's no longer ब्लॉक, मतलब पहले शादी हो गया, एटलीस्ट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय इंडस्ट्री, आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर इंडस्ट्री, कि शादी हो गई और बच्चे हो गए तो करियर खत्म, बट अभी ऐसा नहीं है. सो पीपल आर लाइक ओके, वी कैन have that and recover faster, like, and then get back to work.
I think you are right. It's all personal choice.
Yes.
कि आप कैसे करना चाहते हो. वो एक era था 90s वाला, but इस time पे I think everybody, like Kiara Advani is pregnant, and she proudly announced it on Instagram. So,
in fact, I feel very happy when I hear news of our top actresses getting married, having babies, and then also taking time to come back. मतलब that entire rush कि अभी lose करना है, you have to become a size 0 and all that is not there anymore. And I'm loving it, because it's such a positive message to the other girls and the ladies out there कि भाई don't look at actresses जो ऐसे lose कर लेते हैं. There's a lot of hard work that goes behind it. It is okay to take your time, heal properly, and then of course be healthy. I always focus on not being thin but being healthy.
Breastfeed किया आपने अपने बेबी को?
That is another struggle that I have gone through.
I will discuss about it, because I have a lot to talk about it. So you tell me.
So I again, this is another personal choice. Some ladies want to breastfeed, some doesn't. I wanted to, not for a very long period, but at least up to 8-9 months or 1 year. Unfortunately, with Vayu, we were having a lot of problems. I consulted a lot of specialists जो आपको आके help करते हैं to help you out. Then people don't talk about it. There is inverted nipple, a lot of other issues that people have, and I was not able to figure out कि क्या problem है. Bottom line, he couldn't, and it was too painful for me. So after a point, I had to give up, but I still wanted to breastfeed. Like, I wanted to give him my milk, so I started pumping. So मैंने वायु को almost 7-8 months pump करके feed किया है. So that I said, उसमें भी बहुत था, like some people were like कि it's okay ना, छोड़ दो अगर नहीं हो रहा है. But I said, I know छोड़ सकते हैं, but if I have the production, why not? There's a lot of nutrition that goes to a baby, and I want to give that. Then some people were like, maybe you're not doing it right. So of course it used to be very emotionally tiring for me to explain कि मैं कर रही हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ. मतलब I'm talking to experts, I'm trying day and night, I had cuts, but अभी नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं क्या करूँ? So a lot of people gave me a lot of grief about that also. नहीं, also क्या होता है ना, I spoke to my doctor, so she said when a baby is sucking on the breast,
that's a different thing.
So it actually stimulates your brain to make more.
Okay. And if you're pumping
से वो because the saliva of the baby, जब वो touch होता है, it gives a signal to the brain. This is what I've heard, okay? It gives signal to the brain. So अगर baby को कोई problem भी होता है ना, in terms of cough and cold, कुछ भी, so the milk production it changes. It changes according to the requirement, nutritional requirement of the baby. It is magical, how our entire system is. So my production also had reduced, and I had to take a lot of laddus and other supplements
Yeah,
to increase.
yeah.
And I feel कि it is because there was no direct connection.
Because they were not feeding directly from the
Directly, yes. So that you know brain का वो कुछ there's something I think
Chemical लोचा है कुछ.
हाँ professional will be able to explain it better. I'm
Yeah.
talking in a very layman language, but this is what one doctor told me. My
Okay.
mom had an issue and she had to get a small operation, so she couldn't feed me. She was on medicines, so she kept telling me you're a formula fed baby from day one, and I don't think so there's anything wrong with you, so it's okay, you know. Of course, you know, you try. नहीं होता है तो don't stress so much about it. Don't think कि अरे लोग क्या कहेंगे, you know. It doesn't make you less of a mom
Yeah.
if you don't breastfeed.
इशिता, जब हम लोग डिलीवरी के बाद घर आते हैं और उसके बाद जो हमारे ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाई जाती हैं, कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं पियो या ठंडा मत खाओ, दही मत खाओ, क्योंकि ब्रेस्ट फीड कर रहे हो तो बेबी को ठंडी लग जाएगी. डू यू बिलीव इन ऑल दिस थिंग्स?
No, I don't. I don't.
You don't.
Honestly, I don't, because also I did my research. Not that ऐसे ही I don't want to believe in something. I spoke to my doctor. I spoke to my dietitian. I spoke to them. So they said कि what you eat, of course you can't have फ्राइड फूड एंड मतलब वेरी बैड डाइट नहीं होना चाहिए. डाइट अच्छा होगा तो आपके बॉडी में न्यूट्रिशन होगा, एंड दैट न्यूट्रिशन इज गोइंग टू द बेबी. सो यू कांट डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. लाइक कैफीन I know can get transmitted, and
Yeah.
you can't drink and smoke and do all of
Alcohol
that,
and
of
all,
course. But otherwise आप कुछ खा रहे हो, जैसे आलू नहीं खाओ मुझे बोलते थे,
या ठंडा नहीं पियो.
ठंडा नहीं पियो. बट ठंडा तो वैसे नहीं पीती हूँ. बट I had a very normal diet throughout my pregnancy, before, after. I didn't make any major change. कुछ चीज़ें मैंने ऐड की, जैसे वो लड्डूस बोलते हैं, because उसमें से it gives you that healing herbs होते हैं, तो it heals you from inside.
Yeah, हल्दी
Milk
वगैरह होता है
production हाँ ज़्यादा होता है, अजवाइन का पानी,
जीरे का
पानी. So these things I had extra things, but I didn't really change my lifestyle because मुझे आज भी बोलता है कि नहीं ये होता है effect, but my doctor was very okay with me having a normal diet.
Yeah.
So I just followed that.
वेरी नाइस. इशिता, मूविंग ऑन, हम लोग एक क्विक रैपिड फायर लेंगे.
Okay.
सो देयर आर कपल ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आई विल आस्क यू एंड यू हैव टू इंस्टेंटली रिप्लाई टू
Okay.
दैट. तो व्हाट्स द बेस्ट थिंग यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर फर्स्ट चाइल्ड?
Love, unconditional love.
What is your favorite activity to do with your child?
Play with him. He loves puzzles.
You play with puzzles with him? Very
yeah.
nice. What's one thing you wish you knew before becoming a mom?
I think postpartum depression, if I had a honest conversation with someone, it would have helped me deal with it better.
What's the funniest thing your firstborn has said about the new baby? Or I think he is not even
Nahin.
aware, or he's not that big even to...
So I'm a little scared also. So there is this octopus, जो my sister had given Vayu.
Real octopus?
नहीं, छोटू baby octopus.
छोटू
मतलब like a toy pink color octopus.
Okay.
जो उसका smiley and sad face होता है ना, वो वाला.
Okay.
Toy which my sister had given when he was born. And he used to love that toy, but now and he calls it baby. उसका नाम baby है.
Okay.
So baby को वो मुंह में लेके ना करके ना he just like throws. So I'm trying to change the name कि वो baby से इसका reaction ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
वो दूसरे baby को ऐसा ना करे.
Every time he does that, he says baby, and he takes and he's doing this. I'm like नहीं ये change करना पड़ेगा. You can't do that to the baby.
So you're afraid कि वो नए baby को भी chew ना कर दे. Okay, what are the top 3 must-have items in your bag after pregnancy?
टॉप 3 तो हो ही नहीं सकता, इतने सारे.
Top 13 30 होंगे.
चाहिए, लाइक डायपर चाहिए,
Wipes
snack.
चाहिए.
अभी आई थिंक टॉडलर मतलब कभी भी
कुछ भी खाने के
भूख
लिए. हाँ.
चाहिए. खाना, पानी, डायपर, napkin. I think these are probably the top.
Okay. One self-care ritual you swear by during pregnancy?
Yoga.
You do yoga?
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
nice. If you could time travel back to your first pregnancy, what advice would you give to yourself?
कि which I'll not listen also to myself if I time travel, कि it's going to pass. The first 6 months जो भी होता है, because I also had a lot of colic.
Yeah.
So I'll tell कि don't worry, it's going to get better, and one night ऐसा time आएगा when you sleep through the night, and the baby will let you sleep through the night.
Now it's happening.
Now it's happening.
Now it's happening after 6 months, but
It's very good.
Yeah, it's
6
happening
months. For
after
me,
6
it happened after 1 year, 2 months.
No, it's happening after 6 months.
So the funniest thing is, so my cousin had a baby after 6 months, like after I delivered, and when I broke the news that I am expecting, her reaction was like, "तो पागल हो गई है? तुमको याद नहीं है what you went through? Like 1 साल पहले you didn't sleep because she's in that phase where the baby is not sleeping." It was such a funny reaction. she couldn't digest for 3 दिन तक she kept saying this that are you sure
Are you sure?
like
You
have
want
you
this baby?
forgotten कि ये सब क्या हो रहा है because like our kids are very similar with their mannerisms when they were born so yeah.
Okay. If you had a pregnancy survival kit, what 3 things would absolutely you want to be in it?
Survival kit में I think my mom, dad and Vatsal.
Mom, dad, and
I want to carry them in my pocket everywhere. ये है तो बस और कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
Okay, so every pregnancy comes with unexpected surprises. I think you have already told me that. What's been your I did not see this moment
With the second pregnancy,
with the second pregnancy?
the food,
The non-veg
the
one, right?
main food, yeah. I think that, yeah.
इशिता, आपने मुझे बताया कि आपने 1 महीने पहले डिलीवर कर लिया था एंड यू गॉट अ नैनी आफ्टर अ मंथ ब्रेक, नॉट ब्रेक आई वुड से,
Few days के, हाँ.
few days later you got a
later,
nanny. So have you ever faced any challenges with nanny, like
Of course challenges होते हैं because you're giving your child to somebody else and वो कितना भी अच्छा हो अच्छी हो but वो एक जैसे हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे अभी कि वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता ना अपने बच्चों के साथ. अगर आपकी खुद की माँ भी हो तो आप 50 बार देखोगे कि सर ठीक से पकड़ा है कि नहीं, ये ठीक से कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. सो आई थिंक आई हैड लॉट ऑफ दोस challenges. I have changed a lot of people in my house for various reasons. Sometimes वो मुझे छोड़ के चले गए, कभी आप मुझे नहीं जावाए. So there was this one particular girl जो मेरे friends बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं कि उसने मेरा दिल तोड़ दिया. Like I really liked her. She was very good. And mainly बच्चे इतने attach हो जाते हैं ना that suddenly when they decide to leave, it's like a child is crying क्योंकि वो ढूंढता था उसको हर जगह because वो भी attach हो जाते हैं. So of course with nannies I have had my own share of experience. Now touch wood I have someone who's very good. बहुत प्यार करती है वायु को, वायु भी बहुत प्यार करता है उससे. बट नाउ आई थिंक आई मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि यू नो इन लाइफ उनके भी लाइफ है, उनके भी बच्चे हैं, उनको भी घर जाना होता है, तो इट्स ओके हो जाएगा. आई एम वेरी 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 कॉन्फिडेंट नाउ. फर्स्ट 3-4 months I was a different person. I used to just break down, to start crying कि कैसे होगा सब कुछ, बट अभी आई थिंक आई मैनेज हो जाएगा.
Okay, Ishita, have you ever experienced hair fall issues?
आई थिंक जब आप प्रेग्नेंट होते हो एक तो आप इतने हॉर्मोन्स भी लेते हो. लाइक आई वाज आल्सो पुट ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ हार्मोनल मेडिसिन्स, सो योर हेयर इज शाइनिंग, योर स्किन इज लुकिंग गुड ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. तो आई थिंक आई लव माई सेल्फ बिकॉज पार्लर वाले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आई कैन जस्ट वर्क आउट. बट वंस यू डिलीवर एंड आफ्टर 3-4 months आई थिंक फॉर मी द अमाउंट ऑफ हेयर फॉल आई हैड, मतलब एंड मेरे लंबे वाले तो वो और ज़्यादा लगते हैं. सो आई रिमेंबर माई जो घर पे झाड़ू लगाती है उसी से बोले दीदी हर जगह आपके बाल ही मिल रहे हैं. एक्चुअली मेरे बाल इतने इतने आते थे, मैं विग बना सकती थी, इतने बाल झड़े हैं मेरे. एंड इट वेंट ऑन फॉर गुड 4-5 months and I used to cry. So now also when I wash my hair and come out, you'll see a lot of baby hair.
Yeah.
So my mom has a lot of baby hair and I used to always make fun of her कि मॉम आपके इतने छोटे छोटे बाल क्यों है. सो नाउ आई लुक एग्जैक्टली लाइक हर. सो शी लाइक नाउ यू नो क्यों तुम लोग के चक्कर में मेरे ऐसे मेरी ये हालत हुई है, अभी इसके चक्कर में तुम्हारी भी वही हालत हुई है.
So it's happening now also? Yeah,
नहीं,
it's
now
stopped
again
now
नहीं,
because
it's
you are
stopped.
pregnant again.
Again I'm pregnant, so it has stopped. नहीं, but like मेरा duration 4 months चला. 4 months of intense hair fall. A lot of skin issues I faced. Mostly I think when I stopped feeding, उस टाइम पे भी बहुत सब चेंजेस हुए थे बॉडी में. सो तभी बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ था.
आई थिंक फीडिंग के दौरान आप वेट लूज करते हो.
हाँ, एंड आई थिंक माई मेजोरिटी गेन हैज हैपेंड. सो आफ्टर आई डिलीवर्ड आई लॉस्ट ऑल द वेट. सो मैंने अराउंड 10-11 kgs गेन किया था प्रेगनेंसी में, फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी में,
जो आपने लूज कर दिया था.
एंड विद इन लाइक आई एम टेलिंग यू आई थिंक 15 days later I had to go for some छोटा सा इवेंट लाइक जस्ट फॉर 10 minutes and there was a lady who came and touched my stomach because she was like कहाँ है यू नो देख यू नो यू आर प्रेग्नेंट. एंड आई वाज आल्सो लाइक वेरी हैप्पी कि बहुत जल्दी वेट लॉस हो गया विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग. बट बिकॉज लाइक यू राइटली सेड यू आर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग, सो आपका इतना न्यूट्रिशन जाता है, आप खा भी रहे हो डबल. आई यूज्ड टू हैव 6-7 रोटीज. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज कि फीडिंग तो बंद हो गया बट मेरा डाइट बंद नहीं हुआ. आई वाज स्टिल ईटिंग दैट मच एंड सडनली आपका जो न्यूट्रिशन जा रहा होता है भी नहीं जा रहा है. सो आई गेन्ड 15 kgs. सो जो मैंने 11 kgs कम किए थे उससे ज़्यादा वापस आ गया once I stopped feeding.
So this is something I think happened with me also similarly. When I was feeding my child, I lost all the weight, and people started calling me कि आपने तो अब you came back to shape. And the moment I stopped feeding, the entire weight came back.
So this is something again I tell all the other friends of mine who are expecting that be very careful when you are going to stop feeding. आपका डाइट भी उसी टाइम पे कंट्रोल होना चाहिए एंड यू शुड स्टार्ट. एंड आई आल्सो डिड नॉट स्टार्ट एनी काइंड ऑफ योगा और एनीथिंग. आई बिकम वेरी लेजी, सो मैं खुद का ध्यान भी नहीं रख रही थी. सो इट्स लॉट ऑफ मैं अपना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेती हूँ कि मैंने ध्यान नहीं रखा, इस बार मैं ध्यान रखूंगी. नाउ आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड.
Yeah. Ishita, we have one more small play that's called This or That. So you only have to tell me the answers. Like, I'll mention it. So first is Baby Lullabies, classic tunes or modern mixes?
Classic tunes.
Stroller walks, peaceful escape, or workout on wheels? Like, you would like to do workout with your child for the
नहीं,
stroller
like
walks.
calm, relaxed.
Okay. Diaper blowouts, laugh it off, or cry a little?
Laugh it off. Oh my God, the things that have happened. कहाँ गया है potty मुझे ही पता है.
Oh God, I remember my baby was vomiting and he vomited on my mouth.
I have been peed on. मेल चाइल्ड होता है तो उसका ध्यान रखना पड़ता है.
Yes, he can pee anywhere,
Anywhere.
in any other direction. Okay, toddler snacks, healthy or whatever they will actually eat?
Healthy.
Parenting advice, Google or just smile and nod? Like parenting advice, Google or just smile or nod means like how would like to you just listen to your parents or just listen
I
to
would
everyone?
want to say smile and nod, but I am a full Google queen.
Okay.
मैंने I think हर during the first 3 months also, like my baby had colic, I was mentioning, तो कब तक चलता है, कौन से वीक तक, कितना होता है, मैंने इतना गूगल किया है that मतलब like तू गूगल प्लीज बंद कर, speak to your doctor or somebody else because you can't trust everything on Google. I am a full Google researcher.
Yeah. Okay, baby names, like mutually or you are still debating?
बहुत झगड़े हुए बेबी नेम के ऊपर, बहुत झगड़े हुए, बिकॉज माई फियर वॉज बड़े होकर अगर वायु ने अपना नेम चेंज कर दिया, जो बहुत लोग करते हैं, मतलब मम्मी क्या नाम रखा है, आई फील वेरी बैड. सो आई वाज लाइक ये मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन अ नाइस नेम बट लेट्स सी, बट इट वाज माय चॉइस फाइनली. बट हाँ, व्हाट वी डिड, वी हैड 4 names एंड देन वी आस्क्ड अ लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स कि आई वांटेड अ नेम व्हिच इज ट्रेडिशनल बट मॉडर्न एट द सेम टाइम. तो हमने उनको पूछा, तो दे ऑल लव दिस नेम वायु. सो वत्सल के सारे नेम्स रिजेक्ट हो गए.
अच्छा, and वायु was your selected?
वायु was my selection.
Okay, so Ishita, you yourself, like are very calm and organized and structured as a person also, what I can feel. So when you were talking about having a second child, were you planned, prepared with Vatsal, like you were determined that you have to have a second child?
Yes,
and you can take care of all the responsibility, just not only physically but mentally, but also financially, because family is not, it's not a small thing. Being an actor, also ultimately you are working, so now you have to take care of the entire whole lot.
नहीं, I did a lot of planning, a lot of thought process went, because I feel कि that's the thing, now we are educated people, so we should discuss and we should make a very conscious decision जो भी कर रहे हैं, and partner has to be on board. So पहले वत्सल was very skeptical because not for anything else, उसने जो journey देखी थी मेरी पहले 6 महीने की, with postpartum, with Vayu's colic, with the struggles that we've gone through, and then he was also working बीच में, he was not there. So he's like, and mainly the delivery, because he was in the delivery room and he saw me in that state. He's like, like I felt so bad कि I can't help you, मतलब I can't take the pain away, I can't say anything to make it better. तो उसको लग रहा था कि you really want to go through this, it is going to be only if you want. Like even if I want a child, second child, but it's going to be your decision, because ultimately एक woman को जाना पड़ता है ना through all the emotions and everything all over again. So but then I was very sure that I want, because I have a sibling and I want that relationship. So I was like, I would want Vayu to also have someone, and इसलिए मैंने बोला ठीक है. Maybe if I was younger I would have taken a little more time, but I was also thinking about myself, about my career, that jitni jaldi,
and about health
also, yes, because recovering is much easier right now. I said if God has it in its plan, मतलब उसके plan में है, अगर हो जाता है, I would want to have a smaller age gap ताकि साथ में grow हो वो, and मैं भी जल्दी I can bounce back to work, so I can give like 4-5 years dedicate करूँगी, फिर once they are 5-6 years, I think then धीरे-धीरे I can start taking my career more seriously.
Ishita, my last section is all about motherly love. जब baby आता है आपके पास, आप time spend करते हो उसके साथ, वो 40 days तो आप कहीं पे भी नहीं जाते हो, like you are like you know,
Attached to the
attached
baby.
to baby
Yeah.
altogether. Everything, छोटी छोटी उसके डाइपर, नैपी, मसाजेस, हेड मसाजेस, बेदिंग, सारी चीजें आप खुद
The
करते
smell.
हो. The smell, yes. So आई थिंक वो बेबी की बॉडी की स्मेल बैठ जाती है. And I
हाँ.
still, you know, whenever I hug my child and
हाँ.
my baby, I always sniff.
Like, I miss that smell now.
Yeah, you do?
I do miss that smell.
Child आपने खुद मसाजेस करी या
So nahi, I had my jhapa who was
Jhapa.
there. She was doing the massages, but
Okay.
शाम का फिर मैं करती थी.
Okay.
So even the massage I was very scared. I have not done the traditional massage because मेरे डॉक्टर ने थोड़ा सा मुझे बोला था कि बहुत ज़्यादा बिकॉज है डेलिकेट, बेबी का बॉडी बहुत डेलिकेट होता है तो बी केयरफुल. सो आई डिड लिटिल बिट बीच वाला मसाज, जो ना उनका ना मेरा. एंड बात इनिशियली मैं नहीं देती थी, आई टू बी वेरी स्केर्ड कि इतना छोटा बेबी होता है, डेलिकेट होता है. एंड प्लस आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ बैक इशू माई फर्स्ट 3 months. आई कुडंट बिकम स्ट्रेट. अगर मैं बेंड करती थी उसको डालने के लिए तो मैं सीधा होने में मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता था टू गेट माई बैक स्ट्रेट. एंड इट वेंट ऑन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. But yes, I was there. Only I think I had to go for some very urgent work. So 6 days के लिए when he was 4 months old, that's the first time I left him. And उसको तो समझ में नहीं आया, but it was very very tough. I have cried every single moment because I was also breastfeeding, मतलब pumping. तो जहाँ पे भी मैं ट्रैवल करती थी पंप के साथ, I used to pump the milk and throw it because he was not there.
And you feel very
Oh my
bad about
God.
it. I traveled to China and I remember during my meetings I had to go in a washroom and I had to pump it and I had to throw it in a sink.
कभी कभी like हम बात कर रहे थे कि production also, like even I struggled with a lot of milk production. And when I was going, I wanted to store जितना हो सके. And Vayu was not accepting formula. So I had like दिन रात squeeze करके I was just pumping milk कि उसको कम नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. And then at that time when he used to throw up, मैं ऐसे देखती थी, बोले ये इतना कीमती है, यू नो, एक ड्रॉप प्लीज. उसको मैं प्रे करती थी कि उल्टी ना करे. वाई ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ कॉलिक. सो आई थिंक उसने 50% तो दूध निकाला है.
निकाल ही जाता है.
एंड आई रिमेंबर हैविंग अ डायरी एंड आई यूज्ड टू राइट 30 ml 10 ml क्योंकि दिन का इतना होना चाहिए. सो लाइक आई थिंक विद मिल्क एंड ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग आई हैव लाइक क्रेजी मेमोरीज. बट आई वाज विद हिम थ्रू आउट. लाइक I was co-sleeping also at that time.
And I think this experience is going to help you a lot.
A lot, yeah. So now I know the things I have to do. I am prepared. अगर colic हुआ तो क्या करना है, what kind of massages to do, because इतना I have read about it कि now, though I'm praying that no baby should have colic. It's such a difficult time for them. But if it happens, at least I know what to do now.
Okay, so Ishita, in your first pregnancy, were you a crazy mom? Like, you know, you were doing everything, like preparing nursery, buying every other things, like which is not even useful for nesting syndrome.
I had major nesting syndrome. Again, I didn't know what was happening. I was like, ये लेना है. Like now I'm telling you, I have not prepared at all.
Because you experienced.
Firstly तो है वायु का. Second is I know इतनी चीजें जरूरत ही नहीं होती है. But the first time you are like ये भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए, ये भी. Like I had a room full of things जिसमें आधे चीजें तो I have given away to somebody else, you know, because you don't need so many things. So nesting phase तो मेरा बहुत crazy चला. Vatsal was just like पता नहीं क्या हो गया इसको. Impulsive buyer, yeah. You want to buy this also, it was too much. But yeah, this time I think I'm more relaxed.
So Ishita, like, you know, this was an amazing conversation. What advice you would like to give to the expecting moms? It would be really helpful for us.
I think one more small thing I want to share, which I think a lot of mothers probably would relate, is that the first few months when you deliver, अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप थोड़ा सा crazy हो रहे हो, तो it's okay. क्योंकि सारी माएँ थोड़ी सी crazy हो जाती है. You know, start overthinking, you are very overprotective. You जो एक animal instinct बोलते हैं ना, जिस तरह से if you go near a mother, like a dog mother or a cat mother, how they are very aggressive. I think we also become like that. We are very very nurturing. We are very very careful. I remember वो बाजू में भी सोता था तो I used to every 5 minutes ये सांस ले रहा है ना, ये कोई कुछ कपड़ा तो नहीं आ गया, ये तो नहीं, मतलब I was obsessed. मतलब मेरा बस ये तो मैं फेस पे कैमरा लगा के constantly देखूं. So I have gone through all that. And it's very normal, it happens. Postpartum depression, very very normal, it happens. It's okay to cry, it's okay to feel unconnected. It is okay to not like anything, but it's a phase. Everything that you go through in the first year is a phase. Whether it is, which is you are going to go through the food phase, वो भी बहुत बड़ा phase होता है. And I thought कि पता नहीं खाएगा ही नहीं ज़िंदगी में, but they eat. They eventually everything gets better. Having said that, I know at that point ये advice भी help नहीं करने वाला because you're going through it, you know, and you feel alone. I had a very big help. I was telling you, Tanvi, who's a very good friend of mine, she delivered 1 month before. So we were like, sisters who were constantly talking to each other. I had another friend who had a 1-year-old. So she had experienced everything. I think it's also important to be part of mother groups, which I was. Kuch bhi problem ho, you discuss. I think knowledge is power.
Yeah.
So I think, just follow that. Follow your instincts. You are a mother. Nature has taught you and nature will teach you what to do. And you're going to have a great pregnancy and a great motherhood journey, I'm sure of it.
Yeah, beautifully said, Ishita. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
sharing all these valuable insights with us.
Thank you
It
so
was
much.
just not only, an interesting conversation we had, but a lot of education it was there.
Thank you.
And I'm really, hoping that all the new moms who are listening to us today, they're going to learn a lot from our experiences. Of course, not learn, but at least you can take our advice.
Yeah.
And I hope you all have a fantabulous pregnancy. And if you're a new mom, best of luck. So, Ishita, I think amazing conversation. I hope you liked it too.
I loved it. I had so much fun also because you are a
New
recent
mom.
new mom. So I think we relate to each other. I know
Yes.
exactly what you're talking about,
Yeah.
and you
Understood.
will know a lot of things that I told you. You'll be
Yeah.
like, "Acha, yeah, this
Yeah, I
you
understood
mentioned."
everything by
Yeah.
heart, whatever you have discussed today.
Yeah.
So it's something, it's very relevant and it's very personal to me.
Yeah.
Because सबके अपने अलग-अलग challenges
होती
होते हैं
है,
and
yes.
सबकी अलग-अलग journey होती है, as you said. So again, I'm very happy you were here. I think Baby Forest में आपका आना is not just only going to help me, but countless other new moms and expecting moms. Thank you so much, Ishita.
Thank you. Thank you.